Alright, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, Sam, the funky earthworm's head is at point H, which is at 3,9, and his tail is located at point T, which is at 7,15. Find the equation of Sam, the funky earthworm. Okay, pretty straightforward here. So we have 2 points, and we're trying to find the equation, so we're just assuming that Sam, the funky earthworm, can be modeled with a straight line. Okay, funky. So if we're going to do a line, I like to work in slope-intercept form, with M being the slope and B being the y-intercept. And the y and x are just any xy value that occurs anywhere along this line. In this case, that would be Sam the funky earthworm. So first things first, let's tackle M for slope. Slope is just the change in the y values over the change in the x values. In other words, if you take your y value here, which is 9, and subtract from it 15, that will tell you the change in the y's. Then you take your x value, 3, you subtract from it 7. That will tell you the changes in the x's. And just so you know, if you did it the other way around, if you did 15 minus 9 and 7 minus 3, it would be the same answer. And I can show that to you if you want. So let's do this first. 9 minus 15. 9 minus 15 is negative 6, right? And 3 minus 7 is negative 4. And if you do that math, 6 divided by 4, that's going to give you a positive 1.5. Let's pretend we did it the other way, because it really doesn't matter the direction you put them in. You could have said 15 minus 9 over 7 minus 3. Okay, well 15 minus 9 is 6, and 7 minus 3 is 4. There you go. 6 is still 1.5. So anyway, as you like it. Okay, so we actually have part of our answer almost done. So far we have y equals 1.5x plus b. Nice. Now, the next thing I like to do is plug in these x's and y's to isolate b to find your y-intercept. You can choose either one you want. You can use this one or that one. I tend to lean toward the smaller numbers because I just think it's easier. So here we go. You say 9 is 1.5 times 3. The 9 is the y, the 3 is the x, plus b. 9 is, well, what's 1.5 times 3? Well, that's 4.5 plus b. Subtract 4.5 from both sides, and then you get b is 4.5. And that is your y-intercept. You just plug that right there. That's your b value. So you say y is 1.5x plus 4.5. And there you go. You have just modeled the equation that represents Sam, the funky earthworm. Great job. If you have any questions or comments, please just let me know below. I'll do my best to get to them as soon as I can. And if you want to be notified when more amazing math is coming your way, go ahead and subscribe to Mathity-Math. Thank you. Bye.